What?
You were hiding behind the jukebox, weren't he?
Hey, man. At first, I admit I was afraid. Shit, I was petrified.
You were petrified?
Thinking I could never live without you by my side.
The Lord is by your side.
Have mercy. And then I spent so many nights thinking how you did me wrong. And I grew strong.
And you know I hate this damn song.
I learned how to get along, and so you're back from outer space. I just walked in to find you here, but that sad look up on your face. I should have changed that stupid lock. I should have made you leave the key. If I hadn't known in just 1 second you'd be back behind me. Go on now, go. Walk out the door. Just turn around now, 'cause you're not welcome anymore. You remember this here? Don't you want to try to hurt me with your side? You think I'll crumble? Hey, you gotta lay down and down. No, not I. Whoa, I will survive. Come on. Now, as long as I know how to love, I know I'll stay alive. And I got all my life to live, and I got all my love to give, and I'll survive. I will survive. Hey, hey. Come on, boy.
It took all the shit I had not to fall apart. That's why it's hard to see the pieces of my heart. And I've been up so many nights that I'm sorry for myself. I used to cry.
And now I hold my head high.
I'm not that chained up old person still in love.
Right.
I want you to know that if anything like this bar fight happens again, there'll be no place on the football team for any of you. Do I make myself perfectly clear?
Yes, sir.
And just for the record, I would have loved to have been there to see Martell get his ass kicked. All right, come on, let's get out of here.